Hello everyone, in this video we will look at how to integrate payment gateway with Whautomate platform. As of today, Whautomate integrates with Stripe payment gateway. Let's look at how to do that. There are a couple of ways you could integrate with the payment gateway. One is by accessing settings and going into the payout settings, or going to the integrations tab and click on connect on the Stripe payment gateway. And here you have the button called connect with Stripe. When you click on this, it will redirect you to the registration page of Stripe. Okay, we have come into the Stripe Connect settings. So I'm just gonna use the email. Since I have an account with Stripe, it is asking me to enter the password. If you are connecting Stripe account or registering with Stripe for the first time, the flow might be a little different, but not too different as such. I'm just gonna log in. And it's asking me to enter the verification code. Okay, so it has my business information saved already. So I'm going to use the saved business information. If you are using Stripe for the first time, as I said, you won't have any saved business information. In that instance, you will have to create a new business and verify your business entity by providing your business profile or business registration documents depending on Stripe gateway requirements. And I'm going to select the saved information and click on continue. It's just taking a couple of seconds. And we have a questionnaire. Please read through the questions. And I'm going to select no, because I'm not going to use this account for accepting donations, and I'm not using it for crowd-based funding as well, and I'm not going to provide financial services too. I'm going to click on continue. And here, if you wish to contribute for Stripe Climate, you could do so. I'm going to skip this section for now. And here I have all the details. I'm happy with that. I'm going to agree and submit. Okay, now that our registration is successfully done, it is returning us back to our application. And as you can see here, the connect to Stripe button has changed to disconnect Stripe. Thank you for watching this video. Follow our tutorial series to understand different parts of the platform. In the next video, we will look at how to create invoices and use the payment links to accept payment from customers online. Thank you.